What up?
Hello.
Guess how I feel about microwave hacks.
You love them.
Fuck microwave hacks. Dude, that was okay. Except the ones you're seeing here. These are obviously gourmet and amazing. However,
Gourmazing.
yes. How did you know? So I tried to make, as you know, some failed brownies twice.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm not going to get into making it twice, but I did do it. Okay. So I really thought I could just whip up some brownies according to some internet recipe and the microwave would magically make them come out like some $50 brownies or something. I don't know. I thought that you could just throw them in the microwave and the microwave would work its magic, but it was a fail. So oh man, the fucked up part was the brownies were the first of I had 5 recipes, brownies and then all this other shit.
Mm-hmm.
And the first one that failed was brownies. I was like, fuck this microwave hack. I was like, dude, this is no hack. This is some bullshit. But then I was like, I don't know. I patted myself on the back and I was like, you can do it. You can microwave some kale. Dude, the kale came out amazing. You were not around when I made the kale chips. But I had this primal instinct to watch the kale in the microwave, and sure enough, one of them caught on fire. I was like, what? And I saw another one, because I made 1,000 batches, because you can only make so many at a time. And I looked over, and I was like, oh shit, it's like a fucking birthday cake in the fucking... Happy birthday to me. Campfire. Anyway. So, I did like those on... Oh, they were so delicious. Dude, the kale chips were insane. Well worth lighting one on fire. And I ate that one, too. I would like to say for the record, that one was delicious. That one was exceptional. But I did have that feeling like, whatever you do not walk away. You do not have insurance on this shitty apartment. So I made a cake, and then when it was done, I cut it up into 1 million slices and put it in little containers, so it was like cake meal prep for a week.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think of the cake?
It was delicious.
Would you have suspected it was from the... The look on your face.
The microwave?
Yep.
No. No. In fact, it was gourmazing.
I suspected something gourmazing about this. About this meal prep cake. Should I have waited until the meal prep was 5 days in? I would have been like, hey bitch, what'd you think of that cake? Yes. I will say that it doesn't look it looks great. Looks fantastic. Thanks for noticing.
You did good.
I tried making cupcakes with some of the batter and they were like pucks. I had no idea when it was overcooked, and do not overcook them. All the info for how to cook these and not to cook these will be in the blog. I think we should bake more cake.
Peace.